Meat, mutton or beef 500 grams. Add 1 big tomato and 2 cup water. Cumin seeds, black cardamom, cloves, green cardamom. Add in meat. Coriander seeds, crushed. Salt to taste. Curry powder. Cover with the lid until meat cooked 97%. Steam release. Open the lid. Add oil. Mix well and fry. Meat is done. Add oil in pan. After the oil is heated, add 500 grams okra bhindi. Fry well and change the color. Put in plate. Add little bit oil in pan. Add onion 300 grams. Mix and fry. 2 tsp ginger, 5 to 6 green chilies. Mix, mix, mix. Add little bit salt. Mix well. Add red chili. Little bit turmeric powder. Mix, mix, mix. Add okra. Mix well. Add cooked meat. Mix, mix, mix. Cover with the lid. 5 minutes. Garnishing with green coriander. Today's special menu. Like, share, subscribe. For watching, thanks. Coon Food Official.